Let's talk about how C++ handles output operations. When we want to display something on the screen, we have to use cout stream. Cout stands for character output and used to print information to the console. To use cout, first of all you need to include our stream library in your program. Then namespace std, and after that our main function, and we will write our code in main function. When you want to print data stored in a variable like this, for that you can use cout like this: cout $, then the name of variable in which data is stored, and in the end terminator to inform compiler that our statement is complete, so you can proceed now. Compile and run. So here's our output 20. When you want to print your custom message, for that you have to place your message inside double quotes. Cout $, double quotes, and place your message inside these double quotes like my age is, and after this you have to place a terminator to inform your compiler that your statement is complete, so you can proceed now. Let's compile and run. So here's our output: my age is. If you want to print your data stored in a variable and your custom message together, for that you can do like this: age. After your custom message you have to use again $, and then the name of variable in which data is stored, age. Let's compile and run. So here is our output: my age is 20. Okay, and don't worry, we will discuss these again and again in incoming videos.